Idiomatic expression and phraseology. 1. Breakdown. To go out of order, to be extremely anxious. The engine of our car broke down in the middle of the journey. He is on the point of a breakdown. To break through, an important achievement. The invention of ultrasound device is a major breakthrough in medical science. 3. Break out. To spread suddenly. Swine flu broke out in the city. 4. Blow up. To destroy by explosion or fire. The terrorists have threatened to blow up the building if their demands are not accepted. 5. To break the ice, break silence. At last he broke the ice and we began to chat. 6. By leaps and bounds, rapidly, tremendously. India is making progress by leaps and bounds. 7. Big gun, important person. In the meeting, all the big guns of the town were present. 8. A bone of contention, a cause of quarrel. The small piece of land is a bone of contention between the two brothers. 9. A bed of roses, full of joy and happiness. Life is not a bed of roses. 10. By hook or by crook, by fair or foul means. He wants to rise in life by hook or by crook. 11. A child's play, something very easy. To fly an aeroplane is not a child's play. 12. A hard nut to crack, a difficult problem or a difficult person. He is very stubborn, a really hard nut to crack. 13. Come across, to meet by chance. While walking in the fair, I came across an old friend. 14. In a nutshell, briefly. Please tell me the story in a nutshell. 15. Kith and kin, friends and relatives. I have invited my kith and kin to my birthday party. 16. In 9 days wonder, something beautiful for a short period. Beauty is a 9 days wonder. 17. A narrow escape, to be saved by a narrow margin. Ravi had a narrow escape in the accident. 18. To poke one's nose, to interfere. Don't poke your nose in my affairs. 19. A red letter day, auspicious day of rejoicing, an important day. 15th August, 1947 is a red letter day in India's history. 20. To turn a deaf ear, to refuse to listen. Sohan turned a deaf ear to his father's advice. 21. To take to heart, to feel bad. Don't take to heart the scolding of the teacher. It'll prove a blessing for you. 22. To and fro, forward and backward. He is walking to and fro aimlessly. 23. A turning point, anything that brings a good change. Knowledge of English proved to be a turning point in his career. 24. Uphill task, difficult task. It is an uphill task to free the society of corruption. 25. Ups and downs, good and bad times. My father has experienced many ups and downs in his life. 1. To get on, to face, to fare. How are you getting on in life? 2. To give in, to lose heart, to surrender. He faced the problem bravely, but in the end he gave in meekly. 3. To give up, to leave. His father has given up smoking. 4. To keep away, to avoid, to remain absent. Bad company kept him away from success. 5. To keep on, to carry on, to continue something. She kept on working all night. 6. To look after, to take care of. Who looks after your parents in your absence? 7. To look into, to examine. Kindly look into the matter and do the needful. 8. To pass away, to die. His grandfather passed away last week. 9. For the sake of, in the interest of, for the benefit of. He is working hard for the sake of his children. 10. In the long run, finally, ultimately. Your hard work will definitely pay you in the long run. 11. In short, in brief. Please tell me the answer in short. 12. In vain, useless, without success. In the absence of discipline, all the effort went in vain. 13. Instead of, in lieu of, in place of. You should use the bicycle instead of the car to save fuel. 14. In spite of, despite of. He could not achieve his goal in spite of putting in hard work. 15. On the contrary, against what is expected. They felt the weather was icy cold in Ladakh. On the contrary, I enjoyed every moment there. 16. On account of, because of. I could not learn this chapter on account of constant disturbance. 17. To run out, to finish. Make haste, the time is running out. 18. To see off, to say goodbye. We went to the station to see them off. 19. To be fed up, to be sick of. I am fed up with your excuses. 20. To lose heart, to surrender, to lose courage. We should not lose heart in difficulties. 21. To give a big hand, to clap. The audience gave him a big hand for his excellent performance. 22. In a big way, to a great degree. He achieved success in a big way. 23. A flying start, a good beginning. Sehwag gave a flying start to the Indian inning. 24. From pillar to post, from one place to another. She is wandering from pillar to post in search of a good job. 25. A laughing stock, an object of ridicule. He has made himself a laughing stock due to his strange behavior.